Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to link BOM with duplicate product via manufacturing. You can see here our module Dev product BOM duplicate. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to manufacturing, go to products and see here this menu bill of materials. Go to anyone like a drawer. I want to select this one, drawer. Now go to products. Go to this same product drawer and do duplicate. So see here, generate this copy. Again go to bill of material. And you can easily see here this drawer copy is duplicate is linked with this BOM. Thank you.